This is cotton candy vibes all the way. You guys are gonna lose your minds. Today we are going to be making rainbow sherbet punch with prism powder, a lime sprinkle rim, and we're gonna decorate it with sugar wraith because we are feeling extra. Guys, Fancy Sprinkles just dropped their merch. Fancy, and I'm obsessed.
Why you so obsessed with me?
Who needs a dress when you have ganache? I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna do an individual punch and then I'm gonna do a group punch. Who is she? I'm gonna line the rim first. I feel like Justin Bieber or Hailey Bieber. Honestly, I'll take both. So we all have seen me line a rim before. She knows how to do it. What? I found that Honey works the best because she's sweet and I love her. Gorgeous. And we have our Freak Show. Freak Show is a sugar blend. This looks like just pretty sand. Can you imagine if you like walked on a beach and you saw this? You'd be like, stop! Now you don't want it to mix with the honey because that would be a crime and crimes are illegal. So you know what that means.
Order! Sit down!
Okay, ready? We lined our rim. No, we didn't. Don't lie, we only did the first part. Oh, Freak Show looks good on this. I will never stop lining rims. It's gonna be my signature move. People are gonna be like, remember that girl? Like she always used to come to the party, but she always used to have lined rims. People are gonna be like, yeah, it was your signature move. I mean, she's ready. After you have your rimmed glass, you're gonna take some gorgeous prism powder. Oh, we have diamond white. Shine bright like a diamond part 2. Just a little tap, tap, tap. Gorgeous. So when making an individual punch, very important to use, this is dirty. There's a hair in it, a white hair in it. I don't even know anybody with white hair. You use a measuring cup. I'm just gonna get the ingredients. Get the biggest Hawaiian punch they have because that's who we are and that's what vibes we're putting out there. I mean, this is huge. I feel like I'm fully in college. Remember that episode of Friends where Joey is like trying to look young?
Sup with the whack PlayStation sup.
So if we want to make equal parts Hawaiian punch and equal parts Sprite, fill it up to 200 milliliters. I mean, I'm just good at math. 200 milliliters of Hawaiian punch. Isn't she gorgeous? Then Sprite. I can't even remember the last time I saw Sprite. How have you been? You good? Okay. Wait till you hear that crisp. You want it to be even. So now we're gonna pour her in here. Every time. It gets me every time. Now we want to top her with sherbet. Who doesn't love a sherbet shot? Okay. Okay. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Oh my God, hold on. You guys, look at her. She is sparkling on the top. She's rimmed and sugared. She's foamed up. She's gorgeous. And she knows it too. Okay, here we go. It's oh my God. This is like, I need a spoon. I need, get a spoon. The crunch of the sugars with the foam and the fizziness and the glitter, it's all working. Oh my God, it's all working. Why don't people drink punch more? Honestly, the rim, because you know how citrus can make you go like, ooh. Not with this sugar rim. This is absolutely incredible. Okay, now for the rest of the people that are like, what are you doing? I want punch in a bowl. I don't want to see single serve punch. I got you. Who are you honking at? It's a pandemic. Oh my God, this is like a cup on steroids. I'm gonna put some prism powder at the bottom of her. Easy, grab your punch, okay? Then Sprite. I like pouring. Oh, ow, I got Sprite in my eye. Okay, here you have your base. Oh, are you kidding? She's gorgeous. Then you need your sherbet. What a fun word to say. I want to top the sherbet with sugar wraith, my favorite blend. Inspired by Post Malone. This is what's gonna make the punch very Halloween-y. That's a word, right?
No!
I love this vibe. Okay, recap. We have our prism powdered punch bowl base. We're gonna put our sherbet on top. Whoa. Oh my God. Wow. Then you're gonna take your sugar wraith and you're gonna just sprinkle her on top. You guys, are you kidding me? This punch is insane. I mean, this is just, you serve this at a party, you're queen. You're absolute queen. Don't forget a ladle. I was never allowed to ladle in my family. It's so good. There's all these fun surprises. Who doesn't love surprises. Halloween is all about surprises. It's like, who's gonna pop up? Maybe your ex, maybe a ghost, maybe the ex who ghosted you. You never know. This is the best bake show ever. She was easy, she was simple. You know what I wanna do? I wanna throw some vodka in her. Make it adult, throw some vodka, are you kidding? Whoa, I know, big day. So that's how you do it. You make punch in 2 ways. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What a fun show this was. Fancy Sprinkles, I love you. I love your products. Your sparking creation. Okay, I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Bye, love you.